Every great aircraft carrier begins with a single vision. Deep inside one of America's largest engineers and skilled workers are building a floating city powered by nuclear energy.
Welcome to America's aircraft carrier factory. Today, you'll discover how millions of pounds of steel become one of the world's most powerful warships.
This factory operates like a perfectly synchronized machine. Every crane, robot, engineer, and technician plays a critical role in constructing a vessel that can serve for more than 50 years.
Long before construction begins, every section of the carrier is designed, tested, and perfected in a digital environment to ensure maximum strength, precision, and safety. Once every design is approved, specially manufactured naval steel arrives at the shipyard. Each plate is carefully inspected before becoming part of the carrier's enormous structure. The real transformation begins now. In the next chapter, these giant steel plates will be cut, welded, and assembled into the massive building blocks that form America's nuclear supercarrier. Construction officially begins as computer-controlled plasma cutters transform enormous steel plates into precisely engineered components. Every cut must be accurate to within fractions of a millimeter. Powerful hydraulic presses shape each section into the exact curves needed for the carrier's massive hull. Even the smallest deviation could affect the ship's strength and performance. Advanced robotic welding systems create thousands of flawless joints every day. Human specialists carefully inspect each weld to guarantee maximum structural integrity. Instead of building the carrier as one enormous structure, engineers construct massive modular blocks that will later be joined together. Every section undergoes rigorous inspection using laser scanners and ultrasonic testing. Only components that meet strict military standards move to the next stage of construction. The first hull sections are now complete. Next, these enormous modules, each weighing 100, where America's next nuclear-powered supercarrier will finally begin to take shape. With the first hull block complete, one of the most challenging operations begins. Giant gantry cranes carefully lift hundreds of tons of steel into the dry dock with remarkable precision. Every module must align with millimeter-level accuracy. Advanced laser guidance systems help engineers position each section perfectly before permanent assembly begins.
Once aligned, the massive sections are permanently joined using high-strength welding techniques designed to withstand decades of demanding naval operations. As more sections are added, the aircraft carrier a floating city, with vast interior spaces that will eventually house thousands of sailors, aircraft, and advanced equipment. Massive reinforcement structures strengthen the carrier's frame. This allows it to withstand extreme ocean conditions and the immense weight of aircraft, equipment, and advanced military systems.
The carrier's massive hull comes the most advanced and carefully protected stage of construction, installing the nuclear reactors that will power this floating giant for decades. With the hull complete, construction moves to its most complex phase. Deep inside the carrier, engineers prepare the heavily reinforced compartment that will house its nuclear power system. Every major component is installed with incredible precision. Heavy lift cranes move massive equipment weighing hundreds of tons, while engineers monitor every movement in real time. Advanced laser alignment systems ensure every critical component is positioned with exceptional accuracy. Even the smallest adjustment is carefully verified before installation continues. Thousands of electrical cables, cooling systems, and power distribution networks are installed throughout the ship, forming the infrastructure that supports every onboard operation.
Before construction can continue, every system undergoes extensive inspection and testing. Strict quality standards ensure every component performs exactly as designed.
The carrier's internal power infrastructure is now in place. Next, begin building the enormous flight deck, the platform where some of the world's most advanced aircraft will operate. Attention now shifts to the carrier's most recognizable feature, the massive flight deck. Stretching more than 1,000 feet, it will serve as the runway for dozens of naval aircraft. Beneath the deck, engineers install the advanced launch system that accelerates fighter jets from 0 to takeoff speed in just a few seconds. Powerful aircraft elevators connect the hangar deck to the flight deck, allowing fully armed aircraft to be moved quickly and efficiently during flight operations. The carrier's iconic island is carefully installed. This command center will control navigation, flight operations, communications, and radar systems during every mission. With the island in place, sophisticated radar, navigation, and communication systems are installed, giving the carrier the ability to monitor vast areas of the surrounding air and sea.
All right, team, let's proceed with the final inspection of the forward flight deck area. hazards. As construction nears completion, engineers integrate thousands of electronic systems that allow the carrier to communicate, navigate, and coordinate.
Before the ship can leave the shipyard, every system is inspected and tested. Thousands of quality checks ensure the carrier meets the Navy's demanding standards. After years of construction, the moment finally arrives. The dry dock is flooded, and the massive aircraft carrier touches water for the very first time. Sea trials push every onboard system to its limits. Engineers evaluate propulsion, navigation, steering, communications, and overall performance in real-world conditions. The final challenge is flight operations.
Catapult 4, thumbs up. Ready to launch, Sector 1.
Proving that every system works together exactly as designed. From raw steel to an advanced warship, this incredible journey is complete, built with precision, ready to serve wherever duty calls. An aircraft carrier is far more than a warship. It's a floating city, home to thousands of sailors, pilots, engineers, doctors, and technicians. Below the flight deck, the massive hangar serves as a maintenance center, where aircraft are inspected, repaired, refueled, and prepared for every mission.
Deep inside the ship, the command center operates 24 hours a day, monitoring air, sea, and surrounding activity while coordinating every operation on board.
Life at sea requires much more than advanced technology. Thousands of crew members live, work, train, eat, and rest aboard the carrier during deployments that can last for months. Every successful flight depends on perfect teamwork. Hundreds of specialists perform carefully coordinated tasks, allowing air to launch and recover safely in one of the world's busiest working environments.
With its crew fully trained and every system operating together, the nuclear-powered aircraft carrier stands ready to support missions across the globe whenever called upon.
From an empty dry dock to one of the most advanced warships ever built, every aircraft carrier represents years of engineering, innovation. Behind every completed supercarriers of skilled workers, whose dedication and precision transform raw steel into an engineering masterpiece. More than a warship, it is a self-contained floating city, capable of operating across the world's oceans for extended periods with remarkable endurance. Even as today's carriers serve around the world, engineers are already designing the next generation of naval technology to meet tomorrow's challenges.
Every stage of construction demonstrates the incredible precision, technology, and craftsmanship required to build one of the largest and most complex machines ever created.
Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this journey, be sure to subscribe for more factory documentaries, and we will see you in the next episode. We will see you next time.